Chapter 12. Our national symbols. National symbols of India refer to national identity elements of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of our country. Each country has its own symbols to represent the nation. These symbols are the national flag, national anthem, national bird, national fruit, national animal, national flower and national song. National symbols are the reasons behind its unique identity and heritage which bring a sense of pride and patriotism in the hearts of each and every citizen of India. National flag. Our national flag or the tricolor is rectangular in shape. It has 3 horizontal bands in different colors: saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for strength and courage. White stands for truth and peace. Green stands for fertility, growth and auspiciousness of land. In the center of the white band, there is a navy blue wheel. This is the Ashoka Chakra or the Wheel of Law of Emperor Ashoka. It has 24 spokes. It is taken from the Sarnath lion capital and stands for life in movement and death in stagnation. We must follow some rules with regard to the national flag. Some of them are: the national flag can be flown only from sunrise to sunset. The national flag must always be unfurled only at the top of the mast. The saffron band should always be on the top. The national flag must always be carried in front, in a procession. The national flag must always be carried over the right shoulder. We must not hoist a dirty or a torn flag. Whenever the national flag is being hoisted, we must stand at attention and salute it. National emblem. The national emblem, the seal of the Government of India, was adopted on 26 January 1950, when India became a republic. The national emblem has 4 lions facing the 4 directions. In the original sculpture, 4 lions stand back to back on an abacus featuring high-relief carvings of an elephant, a galloping horse, a bull, and a lion, all separated by wheels. This rests on a bell-shaped lotus. The entire piece, including the crowning wheel of the law, Ashoka Chakra, is carved from a single block of polished sandstone. The words Satyamev Jayate means truth alone triumphs, are inscribed below the wheel. Our national emblem has been taken from the lion capital of a pillar that was erected by Emperor Ashoka at Sarnath, near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. The 4 lions are guardians of the 4 directions. They stand for courage and power. The horse stands for energy and speed. The bull stands for hard work. These are qualities which every citizen of India should have. National Anthem. Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem, was written by Rabindranath Tagore. We must show full respect to our national anthem. When we sing it or hear it being sung, we must stand at attention. We must not talk or move about during that time. National Animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. It is a symbol of grace, strength and power. It is protected in the numerous national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. National Bird. Our national bird is peacock. The bird has an important place in India's art and culture. It is a symbol of beauty, grace and joy. National flower. Our national flower is lotus. The flower stands for truth, knowledge and wealth. National song. Vande Mataram is our national song. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Our national symbols represent the ideals of our country.